Alright, to get started, you're going to need a piece of paper, a paper towel, a paintbrush, some paints, a knife. Always ask a parent to help you when using a knife. And some potatoes. Let's lay out our paper towel. Here I have a potato. Yes, my potato is very tiny. I'm going to cut it in half, and this is going to give me a circle shape. You may have a bigger potato, that's fine. What I'm going to do after I cut my potato is dry it off, and then I'm going to cut my next potato. I'm going to cut it in half. This gives me a circle, but this time I want a different shape. So I'm going to take one half, flip it over, and cut it in half again. This will give me a half circle. And then I'm going to dry it off. To begin, I'm going to show you a few techniques or different shapes you can get with your potato prints. Here I have my circle and my half circle. I'm going to start with the circle one. I'm going to take a bit of paint. Here I have some acrylic paint. You can use tempera, it's probably better. And I'm going to paint the flat side. Next, I'm going to place it on my paper and press it down with even pressure. Here I have a circle. Next, I'm going to make a half circle. I'm going to use my half circle potato and cover the flat side with paint. Then I'm going to press it down on the paper and apply even pressure. Now that I've got those two basic shapes down, I'm ready to just start making some art. There are other ways to make potato stamps, but I don't have any cookie cutters, which is a typical way to make them. But we can just use our own potato shape and make art out of the shapes we do have. You'll notice that when I choose to use a brush to apply the paint onto my potato stamp, I have a bit more control. Here I'm creating a gradient, yellow to orange, on my circle stamp. Then I use the other basic shapes I have to create other things, and I put them together in different ways to make different images. I use my half circle potato stamp to make the petals on the flower. Here I chose to use my brush to create vines coming from my flowers. And then I use my half circle potato stamp to make the leaves. This is my finished product. I think one way I could have improved this is by painting my background first and letting it dry. That way I don't have any white paper showing, but I still think it looks nice. See what you can create out of circles and half circles. And I'll see you tomorrow.